Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Obsidian Dataview plugin. By the end of this video, you'll have Dataview installed, you'll create 2 practical queries, and you'll preview the results live inside your notes so you can turn Obsidian into a dynamic dashboard for your projects. First, open Obsidian and load the vault where you want to use Dataview. Once you're inside, head down to the bottom left corner and click the Settings gear icon. Inside Settings, go to Community Plugins. This is where all third-party tools are managed. Click Browse to open the plugin directory. In the search bar, type Dataview. When it appears in the results, click Install, and once installation finishes, click Enable. After enabling it, you can close Settings and return to your notes. If Obsidian asks you to allow community plugins, confirm the prompt so everything works correctly. Now go to the note where you want to use Dataview. A good way to think about this note is as a dashboard, a central place where you can see information pulled from across your vault automatically. Dataview works using code blocks. To create one, type 3 backticks, then the word Dataview, then your query on the next line, and close it again with 3 backticks. Let's start with a simple example. First, we'll list all notes inside a project folder. Inside a Dataview block, you can write something like list from projects. This will automatically pull every note inside that folder and display it as a live list. If you organize your system using tags instead of folders, you can replace that with a tag-based query so it matches your setup. Once the block is in place, Obsidian will instantly render a dynamic list that updates whenever you add or remove notes. That's one of the most powerful parts of Dataview. It stays live without you needing to manually update anything. Next, let's build something more advanced, a task overview. Create another Dataview code block and write a query that pulls incomplete tasks from your project notes. For example, you can filter tasks that are not marked as completed so you always see what still needs attention. This is especially useful if you're managing multiple writing projects, research folders, or ongoing workflows because it gives you a single place to track everything that's unfinished. If you're already using structured notes with tags or front matter, you can refine these queries even further to only show specific projects, statuses, or categories. Once you have your query set up, you can make your workflow even smoother by using Split View. Click the 3 dots in the top right corner of your note and choose Split Right. Now you'll have 2 panes side by side. On the left, you can edit your queries, and on the right, you can watch the results update live in real time. This makes it easy to experiment and fine-tune your setup without constantly switching views. A helpful tip is to save your best queries in a dedicated dashboard note so you can reuse them across different projects instead of rewriting them from scratch each time. To wrap it up, you installed Dataview, created your first list query, built a task tracking query, and learned how to preview everything in a live split view setup inside Obsidian. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy guides. See you in the next one.